Hi, in this video you are going to learn how to connect TikTok pixels to your Shopify website. This is Nasim and you are welcome to my brand new video. I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork, especially on conversion tracking. So if you need any help to fix your conversion tracking issue, then feel free to contact me. And don't forget to check this video description because I will give all the information on there. Let's back to this topic. As you can see, this is our demo Shopify website. And if you have a Shopify website like this and you want to grow your business on TikTok, you need to install TikTok Pixel first, because based on your data, TikTok ads will optimize your ad for getting more conversion. So let's go to setup TikTok pixels. And of course, I will use Google Tag Manager to set up TikTok pixels. And first of all, you need to connect your Tag Manager to your Shopify website. Just copy this code and paste this code under the Shopify theme.liquid headset tag. Okay. If you don't know how to do that, you can visit my YouTube channel. I already published a video like that. Now, how you can be sure your website is not connected with TikTok pixels. So for this reason, we are going to install TikTok helper, and you will get a extension which is called TikTok helper. Just add this extension to your browser and pin it. Okay, and go back to website, reload this website, and you can see there is no TikTok pixel connected here. Okay, so let's go to setup TikTok pixel. If you visit your TikTok business manager, you will get TikTok pixel code, right? And you should copy that TikTok pixel. When you will copy your TikTok pixels, you need to get back to your Google Tag Manager, and this is the Google Tag Manager dashboard, and you need to make a tag. Just click on new, hit the tag configuration, and go to community template gallery and search TikTok tag templates. Okay, you can see it's loading, and just search TikTok, and you can see here is the two templates. First of all, this is official and this is third party. We are going to install both. First of all, TikTok pixel by TikTok official, added it, add to workspace, and you can see this is there is no option to send the pixels for page view. So here is no page view event. It's just for standard and recommended event are listed here. So that's why we need to install another templates. Go to new again and search gallery and type TikTok and added another one, added to workspace, and here you can see this is the basic tag you need to install, and just this is the example of your pixels ID. you need to copy and paste your own. You can see I already paste my TikTok pixel code here, and trigger I will choose all pages. This is TikTok pixel will fire for all pages. This is the base connection TikTok pixel to your website, and then save it. When I have saved, if I preview this, connect to my website, and when this website will load, you can see now it's a page view and the TikTok is pixel is connected to the Shopify website successfully. So that's it. If you don't understand any part of this video, you can comment down of this video, and if you want to learn more about me, you can visit my website, which is nasimreza.com, and if you need my help, you can hire me on Upwork. You can see in Nasim Reza, you will get my Upwork profile. I am a top rated freelancer on Upwork, especially on conversion tracking. And if you visit my Upwork profile carefully, you will see I have completed a lot of projects based on the tracking. So here you can see almost 260 plus project I have completed. So you are welcome, always feel free to contact me if you need my help. That's it. Have a good day.